Monday was the first day on the job for David Cotter, the former big-shot corporate accountant that the White House has installed as the interim head of the Internal Revenue Service. As he was previously serving as Assistant Secretary of the Treasury, Cotter's temporary position means that he will not be subjected to a Senate confirmation hearing to examine his record. Under federal law, the president is given unilateral power to make temporary appointments to various federal agencies in the event that a formal nominee has not been found. The interim appointments can last up to 120 to 190 days. Cotter's elevation to the top IRS post is significant for several reasons, the most prominent of which is that he is the first agency leader not to have come from within the ranks since at least 1955, according to the progressive group Demand Progress. From demanding the Department of Justice investigate his political opponents to urging the Federal Communications Commission to revoke broadcast licenses for media outlets critical of his presidency, Trump has worked to exert control over independent government bodies in unprecedented ways, said Kurt Walters, a campaign director with the group's Root Strikers project. Trump has created an inescapable conflict between Cotter's role driving politically motivated tax reform at the Treasury Department and his new duty to impartially enforce the law at the IRS. While he has no IRS experience, Cotter is intimately familiar with the tax code, having run the tax compliance department of the accounting giant formerly known as Ernst & Young. Cotter directed the firm's efforts for 10 years, beginning in 2000. During his time there, he and his subordinates worked to figure out a series of complex ways to restructure extremely wealthy clients' income so as to avoid up to $2 billion in taxes.